Are you sitting on a gold mine? Well, you could potentially be sitting on a ton of money and not even realize it. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to look for to make sure you don't miss any of these rare coins that sold for a lot of money. Now let's just hop right into this video. Now this first coin right here sold for $102,000, and it's a few small little details I'm going to go over that you don't want to miss. So first of all, this is a 1909 S coin. Now you see that small little S mint mark below the date? That stands for the San Francisco Mint, where this coin was produced. Now you need to understand that 1909 was the first year they ever produced the wheat cent penny like this coin. Now typically speaking, the older your coin is, the less of them that were produced, the more valuable it's going to be. Now on top of that, S mint mark coins from San Francisco were typically produced in less quantity. So if you have an S mint mark coin, it could be worth more money. One of the main reasons why this coin sold for this much money is because it's a VDB coin. Now what's a VDB coin? If you look on the back bottom center of this coin, you're going to see some small little letters. Now those letters stand for Victor David Brenner, who is the engraver and designer of this coin. This coin was also graded and authenticated by a company called PCGS. They graded the coin at a mint state 67 red. Now 67 is a very high grade for this coin, the highest achievable grade being 70. This one also received the red designation. Now typically these coins will start off as red when they're being produced, and over time they could change in color to a red brown or a brown. Now most of the time red coins will bring more money than brown or red brown coins, but there are definitely examples out there of brown coins that sell for a lot of money. So just remember, if you find this coin, even in a low graded condition, it's still going to bring good money, because this one sold for $102,000. This one sold for $106,375, and here's why. So this is a 1926 S 1 cent wheat penny graded by PCGS, once again at a mint state 65 red. So a few points lower, and you can see the date of this coin is a bit older than the previous coin. Like I said before, S mint mark coins are typically better, especially the older ones. Now you can see a few small nicks and gashes. Now when these coins are being produced, remember, they're being produced with tons of other coins. They're getting thrown around and gashed up. So sometimes these will have factory damage on them that is still okay for high grades to be achievable. Now this is the perfect type of coin that you would come across in an estate sale or a garage sale, or if a friend or a family member passed it down to you. I hear stories of that all the time, by the way. People coming across extremely rare coins. Now the thing is, if you find this coin out in pocket change, it still can be worth a lot of money, guys. So keep that in mind. But remember, the higher the grade, the more valuable it's going to be, because this one sold for $106,375. So this one sold for $108,000. This is a 1944 1 cent wheat penny graded by PCGS at a mint state 64. So the thing that you need to know on this coin is that your coin should not be this color. All 1944 coins should have been struck on a bronze planchet instead of this zinc coated steel planchet. So to keep a long story short, during the war efforts they needed bronze for ammunition, so they transitioned into this zinc coated steel planchet, but this year should have never had any zinc coated steel planchets on it. So this is a mint error that you need to look out for. If you find one, you've hit the mother lode, because again, this coin sold for $108,000. If you enjoyed this video, then you're definitely going to enjoy the video on the screen, so click on that video and I'll see you inside.